I now give the floor to the representative of Pakistan.
Thank you very much, Madam President. I thank Mr. Ibo, Director and Deputy High Representative for Disarmament Affairs, for the briefing. We also take note of the remarks by Mr. Moore and Mr. Phillips. Pakistan attaches great importance to the Chemical Weapons Convention as a pillar of the global disarmament regime. We support calls for the Convention's universal adherence and its full, effective and non-discriminatory implementation. Pakistan reiterates its firm opposition to the use of chemical weapons by anyone, anywhere, and under any circumstances. We strongly support Syria's unity, sovereignty, and territorial integrity. Important opportunities have come up in Syria to advance reconciliation, recovery, peace, and stability. It is imperative to turn these opportunities into concrete progress on the ground through inclusive political process, international engagement, and support. The security situation in Syria is seriously affected by foreign military occupation of parts of the country and airstrikes that also impact the OPCW's work. The risk of terrorism and presence of foreign terrorist fighters also pose a challenge to the country's security and affect the OPCW's verification activities. It is important to address these factors to enable a conducive environment for resolution of chemical weapons related issues in Syria at the earliest. Madam President, Pakistan appreciates the commitment of the Syrian authorities to fully implement the CWC and lauds its cooperation to secure suspected chemical weapons sites and address outstanding issues, and welcomes the progress achieved thus far. The OPCW Technical Secretariat must continue to be enabled to carry out its independent verification to eliminate suspected chemical weapons in Syria and any risk of proliferation in compliance with the CWC. Enhancing the capacity of Syrian authorities would contribute to the work of the OPCW, including in declaration, investigation, analysis, and verification on expedited basis. We hope that the continued engagement between the Technical Secretariat and Syrian authorities will further build on the positive momentum to resolve all outstanding issues at the earliest. I thank you very much.